What's up guys, it's Chris here, and on this channel we talk about everything finance, investing and growing your personal wealth. So if you're new here, welcome. Now, part of what I love to do is to deep dive into aspects of the financial world. So over the years we have done quite a few reviews of different platforms, companies, investing methods and tools. And since we did our recent video 6 months ago with XM, we got a lot of views, but we also got a lot of questions about XM itself and the platform and what you can use it for. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through XM, who they are, what they do, and give you some information about the XM platform and the different tools and offerings they provide if trading is one of the methods that you are using or are interested in using for your wealth building journey. So let's get started. Now, about 6 months ago, I found out about XM and their features. I thought it was a great product and we made a video together with XM, and since then they've been a good partner of the channel. And one of the things that really fascinates me about finance and our journeys to financial freedom and building wealth is that there are so many roads that you can take to reach the same destination. And based on some of the questions from our last video on the topic, it's important to cover all paths and do my best to show you around trading and the XM platform if that is one of the tools you want in your toolbox to reach your financial goals. Sherlock Holmes famously said, "Data, data, data, I can't make bricks without clay." So let's take a look through XM as a platform, everything it offers and all of the data, methods and tools you can make use of if you want to use the platform to start the trading aspect of your portfolio. And just a disclaimer before we start, as with everything in the finance world, knowledge is power, so make sure you educate yourself on any topic before you start and never risk any money you can't afford to lose. I would personally recommend for anything that you are new at to start small and slowly and build your confidence from there. But luckily, education and helping people grow their knowledge is honestly something XM are quite passionate about. So we'll get to that. But let's start off with, what is XM? Well, XM is a trading broker that offers a platform to trade. It was started in 2009 and has been around for 15 years. In that time, they've grown to having over 10 million clients using the platform, and they have traders from over 190 countries. Honestly, they are one of the biggest platforms and they've been around for about half of my life. And essentially what they do in simple terms is trading. And that really at the heart of it is a very simple thing. Back many years ago when trading began, it was a very simple thing. Physically exchanging a valuable item for a valuable item. And probably what came closest back then to what trading is today is the trading of contracts. Simply put, a man would enter into a contract to buy wheat from another man for $100 a bag. Then, on the anticipation of the price of wheat rising to $110 a bag, he could sell that contract to someone else for a higher price because that contract was now worth more and he would make a profit. Now, while these days it is all done digitally and you never physically hand over the instrument you are trading, the premise is still the same. You are putting in a buy or a sell order on an item of value, and if the price moves in the direction you selected, you make a profit. And the role of a platform such as XM is to provide you the access into more than 1,000 instruments, and by doing that, XM will charge what is called a spread. A spread is basically the difference between the buying and selling price of what you're trading, such as a currency pair. Now, just like for ETFs, we look for a low management fee. For trading, you want to look for a low spread, which means you are being charged less for your trade and in essence saving more money. So let's say you're trading a currency pair like the dollar to the pound. For most currency pairs, 1 pip or percentage in point is 0.0001. And with XM, they charge you 0.8 pips on over 50 currency pairs, and that is a lot of zeros before you get to the charge. So overall, you're paying less per trade and keeping more of that money in your pocket. Okay, so let's step a bit deeper into what are the different types of things we can trade. We spoke about wheat and currency pairs, but essentially, like we said, trading is a simple concept that can be applied to a wide range of items of value. The basics of trading is about finding something that you think will change in value and trying to correctly speculate that change so that you can make a profit. And you can profit if the price goes both up and down. So there are many different methods you can use to try and predict that change, all the way from macroeconomic movements and changes in the weather, and right way down to minute by minute changes in the charts and looking for patterns which would indicate change on a very short time scale. But for me, I always like to invest in what I know, and on XM you have the choice of over 1,000 instruments to trade. So you can trade things like stocks, which would be more ideal for me because I know a bit more in that area. But also things like Forex or currencies, cryptos or commodities, metals, energies, and obviously a whole lot more. And if you go into their website, you can click into some of the categories and it will give you an extended list of what is available. So under commodities, for example, you can see here cocoa, coffee, corn, cotton, soybeans, copper, and the list goes on. So if there is a particular field that interests you, you can go into that or pick any of the major categories. Personally, I don't think you'll have a problem finding something to trade on the XM platform. Okay, so what we've covered so far, we've covered spreads, we've covered trading instruments. Right, well next up is honestly the most important part for me, and it's the reason I started this channel, which is information and education. The finance world is big and scary, and for some reason they always insist on using terminology and complicated, convoluted words, and it's hard to make progress if you don't have a way to learn and better your knowledge. It's a simple equation really. The more you know, the better equipped you are to profit and to grow your wealth in the financial world. And honestly, this is where XM really shines. Because in what can be seen as a complex world, XM offers through their platform and website a variety of educational resources designed to help you improve your trading skills and enhance your performance. And they have been a leader in the industry with their offerings of access to free education. Because with XM, you get access to elite instructors who can help you get better, whether you're an experienced trader or if you're a beginner and you're just starting out. They offer both offline and online classes for wherever you are, including local live education sessions to trading webinars. And if you're based in South Africa, you can attend their free offline education classes at the XM Education Center in Sandton, Johannesburg. And even once you've learned the basics, you can get ongoing educational content to further develop your market knowledge. So we're talking about access to Forex market research, technical analysis, and even a daily Forex market outlook. So if you know absolutely nothing about trading, XM has got educational content for you. If you know the basics and you want to learn more, XM has got educational content for you. And if you know your way around and you want some daily market data, well, you get the idea. Now, those are the biggest aspects of the XM platform, and if trading is an aspect of your wealth building journey, or if it is something that you're looking to explore or learn more about, XM has got low trading spreads, over 1,000 trading instruments to choose from, and is a multi-awarded and regulated broker that is passionate about education and offers many different ways that you can better yourself and learn the industry. And as someone who has signed up for XM and used some of their products, I found the sign up process to be pretty quick and easy. You can simply click the link below in the bio to register and create an account. Then continue with the automatically selected brand, enter your email address, check the box if you'd like to receive future updates, and continue again. Create a secure password and select register. Then just check your email and you'll find your account details. Then select verify email, enter your details and log in. From here, you just need to verify your account, so select verify profile. Once logged in, complete your profile and choose continue. Enter your date of birth, your address and choose continue, then your phone number and proceed to financial details. Complete your investor profile and continue. Next, upload your required documents, select required information, enter your tax information. Next, upload the required documents, start verification, choose start, choose the type of verification, choose how to proceed, follow the document capture procedure, and that's it, and you're in. And guys, there you have it, a breakdown of the XM platform and some of the tools and features you can use for a journey in trading. Oh, before you go, XM have also launched a new exciting XM mega competitions where you can win your share of $100,000 every month. So simply join and trade as usual for a chance to win cash. Now, if you want to know anything more about the platform, or if you want any further videos on trading or using the platform, just let me know in the comments and we can go through them together if that's something you want to see more of. I hope you found this helpful, and if you want to see more videos on finance, investing, and building wealth, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see more. And if you do want to try out XM as a platform, you can click on the link in the description to get started with XM. As always, remember to do your research and your homework, and I'll see you next time, as always, on Casual Cash. Cheers.